Have you ever wondered about the magic that unfolds when you mix two unexpected things? Today, right in the heart of our lab, surrounded by vibrant flasks under the watchful eyes of curious minds, our experiment took a surprising turn. The reactions? Priceless. A mixture of gasps, wide eyed wonder, and infectious laughter. This marks our first step into a realm teeming with curiosity. Science, my young friends, beckons us with the allure of understanding the why and how, much like detectives unraveling the universe's mysteries. Sometimes our best laid plans veer off course, but therein lies the beauty. It's those unforeseen moments that pave the way for groundbreaking discoveries. Today marked our initial foray into the vast ocean of scientific inquiry, spanning physics, biology, chemistry, and earth science. Each holds untold wonders, ripe for exploration. As we delve deeper, we'll uncover the reasons behind today's surprising experiment. Keep your minds alert and your curiosity piqued. We're about to decode the magic veiled in mystery. Ready for another round of amazement? Let's delve deeper into why our experiment unfolded as it did by embracing the fundamentals. Consider this: every phenomenon, from a hopping rabbit to a swinging pendulum, follows universal principles, though they might initially seem mysterious. These foundational laws, the science beneath the spectacle, are our current focus. Physics offers more than thrills of space travel or amusement parks. It explains everyday motions, like a ball's roll or a balloon's ascent when released. Pushing a friend on a swing illustrates physics. The harder the push, the higher the swing. In biology, we witness the marvel of a tiny seed's transformation into a grand tree, a process facilitated by sunlight, water, and nutrients. It's nature's own magic show. Chemistry enters as we mix disparate elements to pioneer something entirely unexpected. Consider baking a cake. The right mixture and heat yield a delightful surprise, much like our experimental outcome. Earth science renders the water cycle's endless journey, ensuring our planet's vitality and the flourishing of life. Understanding these principles isn't just academic, there are keys to unlocking the mysterious, guiding us through our journey of discovery and helping explain not only our experiments, but the enchanting world around us. Recalling our intriguing result from mingling diverse elements, it's time to dive back in, but with a newfound understanding. Armed with our lessons in physics, biology, chemistry, and earth science, each checked off our list, we approach our experiment anew. With our grasp of motion's laws, plant growth, chemical reactions, and the water cycle's voyage, we're set to revisit the experiment. What lies ahead? If you guessed a successful outcome as anticipated by science, you're spot on. Witnessing science in action as theory translates into reality is not only thrilling, but affirmatively reminds us of science's predictive power over our surroundings. So, what's next on our adventure? The pursuit of knowledge is endless. Keep probing, experimenting, and let the wonder within you flourish. The next discovery waits just around the corner. Stay inquisitive, young scientists, and let's see where our questions take us next.